Hello dear friends, in this video I want to discuss 7 foods that based on experience and scientific evidence can truly help you shed that stubborn belly fat. I'm here to answer some frequently asked questions about this topic. Why does stress make you gain weight? If you're noticing an increase in your weight right now, what could be the underlying cause? Additionally, which oils are better and healthier for cooking? One question that I have been asked many times is, why does stress make us gain weight? The answer lies in the relationship between cortisol and your body's fuel production. If you're not following a ketogenic diet, your body's primary fuel source is glucose. In this case, cortisol prompts your liver to produce glucose from substances other than carbohydrates, such as proteins. In other words, cortisol has the ability to convert proteins into glucose. Now, cortisol is the stress hormone, and when your body enters a high stress situation, it releases more cortisol to increase glucose production. This process helps prepare your body for stressful circumstances. As cortisol levels rise and more glucose is produced, insulin, an essential hormone for regulating blood sugar, will be released. Essentially, it's this hormone that makes it difficult for you to lose weight. If you're currently gaining weight and becoming overweight, what is happening is that you're experiencing high insulin secretion. This can be due to consuming high carbohydrates and high sugar foods, or it may be a result of increased cortisol secretion. It could be due to consuming snacks too frequently, meaning multiple meals and snacks throughout the day. Individuals with a protruding belly often have high insulin levels and likely fatty liver. I say this because belly fat arises after the liver becomes fatty. Your liver has a specific capacity for storing fat, and naturally, once it's full, it will deposit the excess in other organs. If you know someone, or even if you yourself have a large belly that prevents you from seeing your legs when you stand up straight, it can be said that your liver contains a significant amount of fat and its function is compromised. You may think you are healthy enough, but your liver may not be. I have provided with this important information so you understand that the foods I will introduce in this video are crucial. There are foods that will truly help you reduce your belly fat because they lower your insulin levels, control your cortisol, and treat fatty liver. So when I later discuss consuming certain fats, don't be surprised at how fatty liver can be treated by eating fats. Unfortunately, every time I ask people what they do to lose weight or treat their fatty liver, most respond that they avoid fatty foods altogether and have completely cut out oils and fats, following a low-fat diet. It really upsets me that they are unaware. Many still believe that to be healthy and lose weight, they should avoid fats. However, that's not the case at all. It's quite the opposite. This is my pain that I'm trying to resolve, and I need your help in raising awareness. Number 1. Eggs. What is it about eggs that can help you burn fat? Firstly, eggs have very low carbohydrates, so their consumption doesn't stimulate insulin. Secondly, eggs provide you with the highest quality protein. Eggs contain lecithin and choline, which significantly aid in the breakdown of fat in your liver. Number 2. Asparagus. Asparagus is amazing for fat burning and weight loss. It relieves constipation, reduces bad cholesterol, helps detoxify ammonia from the liver, stabilizes your blood sugar, and decreases insulin resistance. Additionally, true asparagus is very high in fiber. It has very low sugar content. Number 3. Red meat. Yes, you heard right. But I'm not talking about processed meats, fast food burgers, sausages, or cold cuts. I'm not referring to meat that has been grain-fed in a factory farm where the poor cow has never even been outside. I'm talking about meat from animals that have been pasture-fed and have eaten fresh grass. Red meat will having almost zero carbohydrates and contains a wealth of nutrients, vitamins, and minerals. Number 4. Cruciferous vegetables such as kale, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts. These vegetables are excellent for your liver and rich in minerals, especially potassium and magnesium. These two minerals have a significant positive effect on cortisol control. Potassium, being one of the most important minerals, helps reduce insulin levels, while magnesium promotes greater relaxation and helps you sleep better. It's safe to say that having adequate levels of potassium and magnesium reduces the stress on your body's organs. Vegetables also contain a lot of fiber, so they nourish the friendly microbes in your digestive system and also help prevent constipation. I also recommend eating cabbage sprouts because they contain the highest amount of nutrients during the sprouting stage compared to when the plant is fully mature. Number 5. Salmon. This fish is an excellent source of protein with almost zero carbohydrates, and 100 grams of it contains about 20 grams of protein. Salmon is known for being rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential fatty acids that our bodies cannot produce on their own, so they must be obtained through diet. Omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation and are beneficial for controlling insulin and cortisol levels. Number 6. Avocado. This fruit is incredibly beneficial as it has very low carbohydrates and is packed with vitamins C, A, and B6. It's also rich in magnesium and potassium and contains high levels of healthy fats, which help you avoid feeling hungry between meals. Number 7. Oils. Coconut oil allows you to cook up to 190 degrees Celsius, while extra virgin olive oil can withstand up to 200 degrees Celsius. Animal fats, whether from beef or lamb, are a healthier option for cooking and frying as they can handle temperatures up to 240 degrees Celsius. Avoid using sunflower and corn oils altogether. These undergo several incredible refining processes, and as you can see in the picture, it shows you just one stage of the oil extraction process. Also, never reuse the same oil multiple times for frying. It would be great if you could share this video with your friends and loved ones. Let's work together to raise awareness.